Hey everyone, it's your girl Wandika, originally from Jamaica, and today I wanted to share my bedroom update. I recently learned my style is called dark academia with maybe some hints of cottage core or cottage vibe. I just thought I like thrifted old pieces, but I am a writer and a professor of writing, so it makes sense that I would gravitate to this style, whatever name it goes by now. So what I'll be doing in the video is updating my desk. Since I stumbled across these dark academia videos and I'm into a lot of it as an artist, a writer, a teacher, a lover of old books, ones that I make and show you on this channel, and books that I purchase, literary books that I use in class. I saw an old wooden desk at Goodwill that I knew I would have to upcycle, and that would be a great addition that would make the transformation complete. So I'll show you how I sanded it, stained it, waxed it, and buffed it, and how it made the difference in pulling the room more together. Then after I let it dry and used the wax on it, I realized that the folded out legs weren't strong enough anymore. Maybe why someone donated it in the first place. I regrettably didn't record myself sawing down a part of the legs and screwing in these IKEA legs from the old desk, but that's what I did here. And now everything makes sense on my desk now. I'll take you through the room and do a quick little tour of everything. I do have this light just for practical reasons because when I do my art on the desk, I'm going to need an overhead, and there is nothing vintage about it, but it's functional. I do still like to have a candle burning sometimes just for the aesthetic and also because it smells good. I use mugs or wooden containers to keep my pencils, pens, stuff like that, because you see wildflowers all over the place as well. I have a wooden tray under my computer for easy access items, and it gives me more room to work for those overhead shots when I do my videos. I love like the suitcase, the mini suitcase look, and I just keep like paint and glue in these, and just to remind myself some paint is in here, brushes as well. Putting my aged books there really had a great look overall. More wildflowers. All of these I made as well. So yeah, that's basically what I have on my desk. Would love to have a typewriter instead of a computer, but it's just not practical. I think that aesthetic works and it's beautiful, but of course I use these things for real life, and so it makes me happy that I have this sort of vintage feel even as I'm doing modern things. And this IKEA shelf holds all my handmade writing logs and daily collage planners that I often share on this channel. And I thrifted this case, of course, inside more handmade books. I really love making these antique style books and thrifted these ornate mirrors. I love the look of the overgrown kind of wild garden, so more of that here. Got this armchair some time ago. Of course, I have a basket of wool because I'm into crocheting. This IKEA basket became my nightstand, and this lamp, I used wool as part of the shade. I also thrifted this, and I love the vintage feel it gives. I also made that piece that's hanging over the bed. I just feel like this feels like me. I feel at peace here. Some people may think too much stuff is going on, but it is a small space and I'm trying to make it work for all my needs. Primary thing, of course, is this is where I sleep, but I have all these little corners where I can sit, read, you know. This movie that's playing, I love Alyssa Milano, but this movie was trash. Anyway, that piece above the sewing machine I also made using a branch and some wool. So those kinds of touches didn't take a lot of money, but it did take some effort and consideration. I just really enjoy my space. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you next time. Soon come. Till then, walk good.